ensaymada, tocino, and tapa. Thank you. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are visiting one of the most beautiful coastline in the world, the Amalfi Coast of Italy. Day 7 of our Royal Caribbean cruise on Odyssey of the Seas, and our last port stop is Naples, Italy. So we got this tour from Royal Caribbean. Instead of staying in town, we're taking a motor launch boat tour to see the coastline the way it was meant to be seen from the water. Enjoy the views! So just like the other tours that we got from Royal Caribbean, everything was so organized when it comes to disembarking the ships. Welcome to Naples, Sorrento, Amalfi Coast, motor launch. So from the port, we have our own designated bus together with our tour guide, and off we go to Sorrento.
Could be more? Yes. Could be less? Also. It depends on the traffic we will find on our way. We always talk about this. We have several local products here, lemons, olive oil, traffic. Okay, so it's part of the adventure today, guys.
So Sorrento sits on a dramatic cliffs overlooking the Bay of Naples. It's famous for lemons, limoncello, and sweeping sea views. Sorrento is also a starting point for visiting Capri, Pompeii, and the Amalfi Coast. Travel time from Naples cruise port to Sorrento is about an hour, and it was traffic. Just like the tour guide said, it was part of the adventure. But don't worry, the views along the way is amazing.
Here is a liquor that is called the limoncello. This liquor is famous.
City of Sorrento. We are at the main plaza of Sorrento. A little bathroom break because there is so much public bathrooms here in Sorrento. Lots of coffee shop here, and it's busy. Breakfast time. Oh, yummy. Yes, just like Rome, lots of small alleyways with shops and restaurants.
I was gonna find the leather. Expensive.
28 euros. Oh, expensive. Leather stuff here.
No, she said Mary's, I thought.
I can smell the leather.
I'm gonna just get out of the way.
Italy is known for a good leather. Leather shoes, leather bags. The famous limoncello. Limoncello. Nice bags for girls. Nice. 12 euros for this one and 18 for this one. Nice.
I think this is good.
Nice souvenir. Good quality bags. 17, 15 euros. We already tried some gelato in Rome, but yeah, gelato here is everywhere. All the towns, they have good gelatos. the limoncello.
Ok, tenemos
Can I try, please?
this pistachio liquor,
Pistachio liquor. Oh my.
sembrava una cosa io ti capisco.
Even pistachios, they have a liquor here.
Pistachio? No. Ok, quiere también pistachio.
Thank you. Pistachio pre-taste. Here. Look at the wine. Flowing. Fresh juice. Spritz on the go. Alright, we'll try this fresh lemon sorbet. The most famous place in Sorrento to enjoy a lemon sorbet, particularly for the iconic presentation inside the real lemon, is Gelateria Primavera. The walls is lined with photos of visiting celebrities around the world. Here in Sorrento, lemonade sorbetto is more than a dessert. It's a cultural staple made from town's famous Sorrento lemons, which are prized for their thick, fragrant peel and low acidity. And the most iconic way to enjoy the lemon sorbet in the region is served directly inside the hollowed-out frozen lemon shell. So we just tried something else because we may not finish it because it's a lot. That's kind of pricey, €3 for this small.
Like 3 Canadian.
Ice Corp, sweet for €5 and €10 on this side. Sorrento is also famous for handcrafted woods, a tradition dating back to the 14th century. I guess this is where the famous celebrities shops for their furniture made in Italia.
Is he still talking? Dad.
Anything exciting? Oh, tax free for tourists. Check out the price. €250 for this jewelry box. Wow. Still lots to see here in Sorrento, but we have a limited time and we need to go back to our meeting place. We already saw some of the nice restaurant shops and a few old churches. Off to our next destination.
You can see the big fish.
Everything is, there's a touch of yellow.
And I know just where I'm going no more.
So this is the famous Amalfi Coast. Did you know that this place is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its steep cliffs, colorful villages, and turquoise water? The coastal road above is famous but narrow and busy. From the sea, you can get a clear panoramic view without the traffic, you can reach cove and rock formation that are inaccessible by land. Amalfi was once a powerful maritime republic. Today, it's known for its historic cathedral, small harbor, and lemon groves terrace into the hills. So along the route, the captain will point out sea caves, natural rock arches, and hidden swimming spots. The water here is famously clear, with deep blues and bright turquoise tones, depending on the sunlight. So we will be stopping here for a few hours and explore the place. So even with a limited amount of time, walking through the Amalfi gave us a glimpse into local life. The town is filled with narrow streets, small shops, cafes, and stunning coastal views around every corner. Amalfi is all famous for its lemon and locally made limoncello, which reflects the region's long tradition of lemon cultivation. Porcelain na, mahilig sila sa porcelain. This motor launch tour from Sorrento is one of the most scenic ways to experience Amalfi Coast in just few hours. From dramatic cliffs to colorful villages and hidden coves, seeing this coastline from the water truly shows why it's considered one of the most beautiful places in Italy. So our stop here along the beautiful Amalfi Coast marked the final port of our unforgettable 7-day cruise aboard the Odyssey of the Seas. This cruise with Royal Caribbean International has taken us through incredible destination, unforgettable views, and experience we'll never forget. Ending our journey here at the Amalfi Coast was the perfect way to wrap up this amazing week at the sea. Thank you so much for joining us in this adventure. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more cruise travel and destination guide, please don't forget to dislike this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification so you don't miss our future travels. We'll see you in the next adventure. We'll see you in Switzerland.